And guys, what's happening? How to add Smartwatch to Google Fit. To add your smartwatch to Google Fit, ensure both watch and phone use the same Google account. Install the Google Fit app on both devices from their respective Play stores and follow the on-screen setup prompts to sync data seamlessly. So you're gonna install Google Fit on both watch and phone, right? And what you're gonna do on your watch, you're gonna be able to open up your app on your phone, sign in, and follow the prompts to enter personal info, right? And you can sync your watch to Google Fit seamlessly. So you can see right here, Fit isn't connected to Apple Health in my case, because I'm using iPhone. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit turn on and connect Google Fit or sync Google Fit with Apple Health, or in your respective device, you can sync it with your Android, right? Or Huawei or whatever. And once you download, of course, the Google Fit on your watch, you're gonna be able to log in using your same account and connect seamlessly without doing much. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.